Hi students, how you are? Today's topic is factorization. Yes, it's a very important topic. It's a very important chapter of the subject called mathematics. For class 8, 9, 10, even 11th and 12th. Why I'm saying 11th and 12th? Because in 11th and 12th, few chapters are there which you can't solve if you do not know the factorization. Yes, that's why the factorization idea is very required. So we will do some sums. I have selected some sums for you which are taken from factorization, and we'll solve one by one. First sum which I have selected, let me write that sum for you. 2x minus 2x a minus b plus 3y, then 5a minus 5b, then plus 4z, then 2b minus 2a. Yes, see what we have to do. First of all, here we cannot take anything common. Okay, nothing is common, so that's why it will remain same. Okay, plus 3y. See here 5 is common. No, 5 is common. 5. So I am taking 5 as common. That is a minus b. Plus 4z. What is common here? Yes, correct. 2 is common. So 2 I am taking common. That is b minus a. Any doubt? Clear? See next. So 2x a minus b plus 3 5 is 15y, then a minus b plus 4 2 is 8z, then b minus a. Okay, now here see, this is a minus b, this is a minus b, and this is b minus a. They are not same. Instead of b minus a, I will write a minus b. Then my a minus b and a minus b will be same. Okay, so just you have to do that. Instead of b minus a, we'll write a minus b. But b minus a, if you write a minus b, then you have to change this sign. If you change this sign, then only you can write this. Okay, so what is this sign? Plus, that will be minus 8z, then plus 15y a minus b, then 2x a minus b. Okay, so see here a minus b are common, so take it common. Okay, so that is a minus b is common. What is left? 2x plus 15y, 2x plus 15y minus 8z. Okay, this is the result. Easy, no? Let's move to the one next question. Next question, a cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. This is the next question. Okay, so first of all we'll take common from here. A is common, so that is a square plus 1. Okay, now what is common from here? Minus 3. So what is left? A square plus 1. Okay, now a square plus 1 both are same, so just take common a square plus 1. What is left? A minus 3. This is the answer. Very easy sum, right? Next question. The next question is a square x square plus ax square plus 1x plus a. This is the sum. Okay, fine. So see here what we will do, a square x square plus, by x will multiply this, I mean we'll remove the bracket. So ax cube plus x plus a, correct, equal to, from here what is common? Yes, ax square is common. Okay, from here ax square is common, so what is left? A plus x, correct, plus what is common from here? 1. Nothing is common, that's why 1 is common, so x plus a. See here a plus x plus a, same, so just take common a plus x. Understood? A plus x and x plus a both are same, so I have taken common. What is left? Ax square plus 1. Ax square plus 1. Try to understand this. Okay, let's move to the next sum. Next sum is I'm writing it here. Okay, I'm writing it here. What is the next sum? X square plus y square, x square plus y square plus x plus y plus x plus y plus 2xy, 2xy. Okay, see here we have to arrange something. See what do you have to arrange? X square plus 2xy plus y square plus x plus y. So just what I have done, this 2x square I am writing in between x square and y square. Okay, this 2xy I am writing in between x square and y square. Now what is the benefit of it? See, x square plus 2xy plus y square, this is a formula. Yes, this is the formula of, correct, x plus y whole square. So that is x plus y whole square plus x plus y. I am writing x plus y in bracket. Okay, this x plus y is left, I am writing it in bracket. Now x plus y is common. See here, x plus y, it's common. So x plus y is common. So what is left? From here, if I take x plus y, since this is x plus y whole square, x plus y whole square, that means double x plus y is there. If you take one x plus y, another x plus y is left. This is x plus y. Plus from here, if you take x plus y, then 1 is left. 1. This is the answer. Next sum is 2a plus b whole square. Let us write it. 2a plus b whole square. After that, minus 6a minus 3b. Minus 6a minus 3b, then minus 4. Yes, this is the sum. Okay. Now 2a plus b whole square minus, what is common from here? Yes, 3 is common. So from here I am taking 3. So what is left? 2a minus minus plus b, then minus 4. Got it? This is what I have got. After that, see, this is a very important sum. What we have to do? Instead of 2a plus b, I will write x. See, what is the benefit of it? Let 2a plus b equal to x. So what will you get? Instead of 2a plus b is x, so that is x square. X square minus 3x minus 4. Okay, now we have to middle term it. Okay, middle term factor. See, I am doing x square, then minus, this is 4. 4 means 4 ones are 4, right? 4 means 4 ones are 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So instead of 3, I will write 4 minus 1. Then x minus 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 4 ones are 4. This is called middle term factor. Okay. If you have got any doubt in middle term factor, because middle term factor is very important. Okay. Here each and every sum you will be required this middle term factor. So if you have got any problem in middle term factor, I made a separate video on middle term factor. The link of that video is there in the description box of this video. Okay, you go and check it. If you have got any doubt or any issue in middle term factor, you go and check it out. Okay, so let us continue it. So x square minus 4x minus minus plus 1 into x minus 4. So what is common from here? X is common. So x minus 4. Okay. Plus what is common from here? 1. That is x minus 4. So what is left? X minus 4, x minus 4. Okay, both are same. So x minus 4. Correct? Now we will place the value of x. X is 2a plus b. We'll write 2a plus b here. So what I'll write? See here, 2a plus b minus 4. Okay, then 2a plus b plus 1. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, so instead of x, because we considered x is 2a plus b, so now instead of x I am putting the value of x, that is 2a plus b. So this is the answer. This sum is very important, already I told you. Okay, now next sum. See, the next sum is 1 by 35 plus 12a by 35 then plus a square. Okay, let us LCM it. Okay, simple fractions are there, so let us LCM it. What is the LCM? 35. Here we will get 1 plus 12a plus 35 into a square, 35a square, right? So now we will just arrange it. Okay, 35a square will write first plus 12a plus 1, 35. Okay, now we will do middle term factor, I mean this one. What I have done here, middle term factor, the same thing we'll do here. Okay, so I'm not solving it, you try it. Okay, and as I told you, if you have got any doubt, any issue from middle term factor, already a video is made on middle term factor. The link of this video is there in the description box. You can check that. Okay, so you have to do middle term factor it. After middle term factor, what result you will get, that I am writing here. Like you will get 5a plus 1, then 7a plus 1. This is the result you are going to get. Okay, so try it. You have to show the steps how you are getting it. Correct?